Hello, this video is to show you how to put your Bitmoji virtual classroom into Canvas for your students to easily access. So this is my Bitmoji classroom. I have it finished the way that I want it. And when you make your Bitmoji classroom, there's a couple different ways that you can link stuff. For instance, I have this Colts family picture that when you click it, when it's in present mode, it will automatically take them to slide 2, which shows them my behavior expectations. And then when they click this button, it'll automatically take them back to the home page. You can embed things like that. You can also embed websites and URLs. For instance, right here, when you click the goggles, it'll take you online to a student safety contract. If you want to make some of these things clickable to go to your Canvas page, for instance, my calendar, when I click my calendar, all I did was copy and paste the URL of the syllabus on Canvas. So this link takes them directly to the Canvas syllabus. The only downside to that is it does open in a different tab. So like when I click this, it opens a new tab, even whenever you originally start on the Canvas page, which I'll show you here in a second. So I kind of have a workaround for that I'll show you here in just a second. But once you get everything where you want it, what you're going to do is you're going to go File and Publish to the Web. And when you click Publish to the Web, this button will pop up and you want to click Embed because we want to actually embed that into our Canvas page. You can leave all the size and everything the way that it is. At the bottom, you'll click the button that says Publish, and then it'll ask you to verify that you actually want to do that. Once you've verified and published, it'll give you this embed code, which you're going to want to copy so that we can paste it into Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Then I'm going to go over to Canvas, and I am going to create a page. So you'll go on the side, find pages, add a page, and when you do this, you'll name it, let's say virtual classroom. You're going to come in and you're going to go down to the bottom where you have your HTML editor, and you are going to paste that in to the HTML editor. When you go back to your rich text editor, it'll be there embedded already for you. And all the links will work as long as it's published to the web. And when you update it, like let's say I want to go change something, it will automatically change on here. You do not have to redo this process every time you want to change something. So you're going to want to save this as a page. And if you want this to be your home page when they first log into your Canvas course, you're going to have to make this, view all pages. This does have to be published in order for you to do that. So we're going to publish this, and then we're going to use as front page for our pages, and this little button here will pop up. Now, when you go home, there's one more step that you have to do. Normally, your home just takes you to the modules. If you want it to take you directly to that page when you go home on the course, you're going to come over here to choose home page, and you're going to select pages front page. So it'll be your virtual classroom. So when I save that and I'm home, it'll automatically look like this where they see your classroom. Now, like I said, whenever they click the links, it'll take them to a different tab for the syllabus, a different tab for announcements or whatever. So I didn't really like that, so I kind of made a little workaround on my actual page. I added these buttons down at the bottom where these will be what they click to go to the different places in the Canvas course easily. So like if they click modules, it'll automatically take them to all of their modules. In order to do that, you are going to edit your page. These buttons at the bottom are basically just pictures. I made little pictures in Canva, and you can link, let's say you're going to insert your picture like normal using this button here. When you click it, you have the option to link. So once you have your picture selected, you'll come up here to this little link symbol, and you can I'm going to remove this so that I can show you what it looks like when you actually do it. You click your picture, you click link, and then you link to the course on the side, you'll click course navigation. So I want this button to take them to the announcement page. So I'm going to click announcements and then save, and then that automatically makes a button that goes to the announcements. So I'm going to save. And then there you go. So you have those two options. You can either make buttons or you can just embed the URL, but it'll take them to a different tab. So hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions, I can try to answer them. I'm not an expert, but I am trying to learn as much as I can about this so that I can utilize it this year. Have a great day.